This video shows how to properly change the pump in your Portacool Cyclone 110 portable evaporative cooler. To begin, ensure the evaporative cooler is unplugged and on a level surface. Remove the media flap from the back of the evaporative cooler, and then remove the Cool Comfort evaporative media. Once the evaporative cooler is open, cut the zip ties, one holding the electrical box closed and all the ones holding the electrical cords together, making sure to not cut the cords. Then remove the two screws from the top of the product located on the switch plate and gently pull the box out of the housing. Turn the box over and open by gently pushing on the 5 tabs. Find the pump cord in the electrical box and disconnect it. It is the medium-sized quick connection tab. Remove the one screw holding the pump brace to the evaporative cooler housing. Remove the clamp on the hose which is connected to the pump and remove the hose. Remove the pump from the bracket and set aside. Place the new pump in the bracket. Connect the hose to the new pump and replace the clamp. Secure the pump brace to the housing with one screw. Connect the new pump cord to the connector inside the electrical box. Ensure the 4 rubber grommets are in place, then close the box by snapping 5 tabs in shut. Secure the electrical box inside the evaporative cooler with 2 screws on the top of the cooler. Zip tie the electrical box closed, then gather cords and zip tie together, clipping ends. Replace the evaporative media. Paying close attention to the stickers on the evaporative media, the arrows should point up and inward. Replace the media flap and secure it with screws.